the Rio Antirrio bridge. It is in Greek, and there in Greek it is so that there is a peninsula, Peloponnese, and there's the Greek mainland, and then there's the peninsula, Peloponnese, and now there's just a little land strip here. And now the people living here in the town Rio have a very long way to drive to come to the other town on the other side, Antirrio. And so the bridge was built, the Rio Antirrio bridge. The building started in '98 and was then completed in 2004. It cost 630 million euros. And there were some difficulties to build it. But first, what is it? It is 3 kilometers long, or 2,800 meters, and it is the third longest cable-stayed bridge, the cable-stayed deck bridge in the world. 3 kilometers long. It has a width of 30 meters with 4 traffic lines, 2 in each direction. And now, how was it built? There were problems. There can be tsunamis, there can be seismic activities, earthquakes. The Gulf of Corinth, which is the thing, so the Gulf of Corinth is on one side and the Gulf of Petras on the other side. And the thing in the middle of that sea strip is called the Rion Strait. Now, and that Gulf of Corinth, that Rion Strait, that is expanding by a centimeter per year and also centimeter per year. And there can be a lot of wind between the mountains in the Rion Strait, up to 100 kilometers. There can be tsunamis, earthquakes, seismic activities, and so on. So, and the seabed is 60 meters deep, 65 meters. And it is not such a good ground, so we started with the drilling in 200 hollow things into the ground to stabilize the ground. And now the piers of the pylons, there are 4 of them, and they have up to 500 meters between them. They are not inside of the ground, they are basically on the ground. So if there's an earthquake, it can lateral move basically on top of it. So we have stabilized the ground, and then the piers built on top of the ground, and now it can move a little. And now it was inaugurated to the 2004 Summer Olympic Games in Athens, also the capital of Greece. And on the 7th of August was the inauguration, the 12th of August when the official uses was done by the top viewers. One of the first people was Otto Rehagel. He was the football coach of a football team of Greece who had won in that year the European Championships. Now, and there are a lot of things to check what is going on. There are cameras probably, but there are also things looking how much the cables are moving and how much load is on the cables. There was a lightning one time, and then there was a fire at the top of the M1 pylon, and when that cable smashed onto the traffic line, but it was repaired. And now that, for example, and there are also seismic monitors, water level monitors, how high the water is. There are 2 weather stations. There's looked how much the thermal expansion is on the ground, and so on. And it costs with a car 15 euros, and with a truck 30, 40, 50 euros, and a motorcycle 2 euros. That is according to the Wikipedia page to the Rio Antirrio Bridge.